Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
You're starting by turning off the automatic processing so your iPhone saves standard exposures. Open Settings, tap Camera, then find Smart HDR or Auto HDR and switch it off. Once done, go to Photo Settings and ensure you're keeping original files when transferring if you plan external edits. This prevents the system from reapplying HDR on import. Make these changes now so subsequent shots record the true, non-HDR image data. Now control how each frame is recorded by managing exposure. Use the camera app's AE/AF lock and slide exposure to prevent the phone from compensating too aggressively, and consider shooting in RAW or with a manual app so the phone won't blend multiple frames. Once you've disabled Auto HDR, these steps make sure you capture single-frame images without algorithmic merging. If you need faster results, lower dynamic range scenes and steady lighting, reduce the phone's tendency to want Finish by reviewing recent photos at full resolution. Check highlights and shadows to confirm they look unblended. If HDR still appears, restart the phone to apply settings, then recheck camera options. If issues continue, reset camera settings or update iOS. Sometimes firmware reintroduces defaults. One quick troubleshooting tip: toggle Auto HDR off, reboot, and test in bright and low light if the problem persists. A settings reset normally
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.